OnePlus launched the OnePlus 13 equipped with the best chipset and top-notch cameras in China. For those looking for affordable flagship phones, the brand is said to be working on the Ace 5 series of smartphones. OnePlus is confirmed to launch the Ace 5 series in China on December 12. The lineup will include the Ace 5 and Ace 5 Pro. This is OnePlus Ace 5 first look in green color option. The teaser confirms OnePlus Ace 5 Pro coming the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC and OnePlus Ace 5 coming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. Both phones offer up to 24GB of RAM. OnePlus Ace 5 has surfaced on the Geekbench database. 2212 points and 6,961 points in single-core and multi-core tests. The Ace 5 will be rebranded as the OnePlus 13R in the global markets. We can expect the OnePlus 13R to debut at the same time as the OnePlus 13. OnePlus's Ace 5 series phones have been tipped to get a metal middle frame and ceramic back panels. The OnePlus Ace 5 series come with a 6.78-inch BOE's X280 LTPO displays with 1.5K resolution. The handsets are likely to have 50-megapixel triple rear cameras. The vanilla version could have a 16-megapixel selfie shooter. The vanilla OnePlus Ace May 5th get a 6,300 mAh battery, while the Pro variant could pack a 6,500 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.